Hi, I have a question for you. What's the most effective way to reach the first pages and maintain a high conversion rate? Before you answer, I have another question. How familiar are you with the following? Organic promotion, long-tail keywords, niche targeted bloggers. If your answer is not really, then you're still stuck in 2018. The three parameters I mentioned are the three most important parameters for product promotion in 2021. After 6 years in the field, we understand exactly where the money's buried. The methods I mentioned are implemented by top FBA sellers and brands on Amazon. You're probably wondering how you've not heard of it until now. Let me answer you with a counter question. Would you reveal a powerful promotion method to your competitors? Makes sense, right? Interested in more details? Contact us, and we'll be happy to apply our powerful methods to your products.